Folks, if you are coming to Nakuru and you are looking for a cozy one-bedroom Airbnb, I got you covered. Or even if you're in Nakuru and if you're looking for an Airbnb, one bedroom moja shwari kabisa, well, today I have that offering. So I am in Pipeline, Nakuru, and let's go inside and check out this beautiful crib. Okay. So the apartment itself, it's secure. That is the main gate, and you can see all around the perimeter wall there is electric fence, and they have a full-time guard who stays at that crib at the corner. So they will always open the gate for you when you're coming in with your car. Okay. Still, they have CCTV right there, and strategically located around the compound for your security and even security of your items. Another thing you will get here is ample parking, just like you're seeing some cars parked right there in that dedicated parking area. And now, welcome to the unit itself, a one-bedroom Airbnb, really cozy. So right there, you're seeing you have a 5-seater couch, which is just awesome. It actually looks way much larger than that, but yeah, just enough for a one-bedroom. And the space itself is really nicely staged. So on that end, we have the dining area, and on the far left there, we have the kitchen. There is just a substantial amount of natural light that comes into this space, albeit for now we put on the artificial lights just to demonstrate to you that at night this is the kind of lighting you can experience in this crib. Moving on, you have a TV there for your entertainment. Well, it says no signal, but actually there is internet, so you can always turn on YouTube. That is just a wallpaper, the TV wallpaper, but you can always turn on YouTube because there is internet here and Wi-Fi as well. Yeah, one more look at the space from this end, and right here, like I said, we have the dining table, but it can also serve as your work station, just in case you come with your laptop and you need to do some jobs from home. Yep, right there, it can serve as your work station as well. Such a nicely decorated space. You can see they have beautiful curtains right there, and on this massive door here, this is like a door window, so you can actually open it and go to the outside. So the home is on ground floor, so much to say, you know, it doesn't have like a balcony, but if you open there, you can always go outside, and you can even open it just maybe when you're having lunch here, just to allow in some fresh air or a breeze from that end. So one more look at the lounge from this side, and yep, that's how it's looking. So let's go to the kitchen. You can see already you have a dispenser right there, and the utensils, you know, that you need to prepare your food, have tea, etc. You know, drink something rather, and pendant lighting up there, you know, for more ambience. And that is the beautiful kitchen. We are looking at it. You have your gas on that end, and you can always prepare your meals, you know, just on that, what do you call it? Cooker. Exactly. Looking at things here, well, even if you're coming for longer stays, typically there is enough cabinetry, you know, for you to store your items, including food especially. Sindio? Hapa jikoni si ni kwa chakula. Yeah, so you have just, you know, enough space. And if you're coming with food, you know, takeaways, ukuje kuwarm nyumbani, well, they have sorted you with a microwave right there. I just love this space. And the way it is open, it just encourages conversation. You know, you can just be chilling on the lounge there, and your partner or your colleague is on the other side. Typically, this space encourages conversation. So you can always figure your stories no matter where somebody is standing or seated in this space. Yep, let's keep marveling at this beautiful cozy space even as we check out what's more on this side of the kitchen. So that door can take us to, the outside again, like the backyard. But on this end, we actually have a pantry. So like I've told you guys, especially if you are looking for somewhere to stay long term, surely this space is just ideal, it is the perfect space you can have. Now on this end, we have, okay, there's a mirror there, and then this is the bathroom, and it shares the bath and toilet. You can see the toilet seat right there, and the bath area on the far end. Such a beautifully done bathroom, especially with the tiles. I really love them. And then on this end again, you have another mirror there, and the pedestal sink, and just some hooks here, to hang some maybe towels, etc. You will see the towels when we go to the bedroom. Right. Pulling back like that, and then on our left, we have the bedroom. There it is. So it comes with a 5x6 bed, and given that it's a 5x6, just look at how spacious that bedroom is. That's a 5x6 bed, and yet there is so much room on either side of the bed. It is such a spacious bedroom with a queen bed, but much more space. And then just some wall decors there, to motivate ama tufanya nini? Yeah, to get you guys in the mood. If you are in that mood anyway. So you have wardrobes on this end. They are quite spacious as well. I put my jacket right there. Yep, so nyinyi mkikuja, mko na space hapo mingi sana for you to store your clothes. Sindio? Like I've said, come for them longer stays. Kuja kama miezi mbili, miezi tatu, even 1 year. You can book this crib as long as you want, actually. Okay? Yep. And even in the bedroom again, we have just enough natural light. Wow. Beautiful space. Ndio? Exactly. So pulling back like this, I think we have toured the entire crib. Maybe I can just be showing you around like this, even as you enjoy, the space here. I really love this couch. Whoever made it, surely they know their job. This couch here, it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful, beautiful couch. All right, so mpaka hapo, situseme see you in the next one. Kama uko na maswali, uliza, but the rate here for a 1 bedroom is 3,500 shillings. That's the rate for this 1 bedroom. If you have any other question, just ask. But in the comment section, in the description rather, I have put the pin location for this apartment. Yeah, so you can always angalia pale one location mahali iko, and then just call us to book your days and nights at this apartment. So our number is 0791 055 678. 0791 055 678. Give us a call and say, Ezra, hiyo BNB ya pipeline, nataka kuenda pale. Sawa sawa, it is really beautiful. Ama mnasemaje? Sinisupu? Hii imeweza. It is just polite. Even in that bedroom, I just love the way it is not cluttered. I love that fact. Yani, it just have the items that are needed inside here. It is not cluttered, not too much wherevers. So in fact, let me just wind up from inside here. Tulianzia nje, sasa wacha nimalizie hapa ndani. Alright, so up to that point, folks, what do you say? Mnasemaje? Your comments, drop them in the comment section as well. Namba nishawapea, piga simu, chukua hii crib, ufanye kazi ama utulie. Exactly, hata kama ni holiday, kama ni picnic ama nini ile staycation. Exactly, so this is that crib. Alright, see you in the next one, folks.